everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your ANZ online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser or your ANZ mobile banking application to get started. On a web browser, type in the official web address, that is www.anz.co.nz and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official web page. To log into an existing online banking account, click the login button at the top right. If you're not registered yet into internet banking, click on the register now at the top right in order to enroll into online banking first. If you already have an account, you'll need to type in your customer number in the first text box and type in your password correct on the next field. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password. Finally, after filling in the credentials correct, click Log On and you'll be able to access your ANZ online banking account. After you are logged in, you can manage your account, make a payment, check your balances, send money from one account to another right from your computer or mobile devices with an internet connection. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.